All right, so we've done the talking and we've done the testing. In the last episode, we actually built something real step by step.
Yeah. And I'll be honest, that already felt like more effort than most people expect. Definitely more than what those quick online claims make it seem like.
Exactly. And that's why today matters. Because now we're looking at results.
So the real question is, did any of this actually work? Or was it just another experiment that goes nowhere?
Fair question. So here's what we did next. We took what we built and tried putting it out there.
No ads, right? No tricks. Just basic distribution.
Exactly. Just organic effort. And honestly, at first, nothing happened.
Yeah, that's usually how it goes. And that's where most people give up.
Yes, because they expect instant results. But AI doesn't guarantee success.
It just makes things faster. Not easier in the long run.
Exactly, so we kept improving. We adjusted the content and made it clearer.
So basically, iteration. Trying to make it better step by step.
Yes, and slowly, we started seeing small signals. A few clicks, a bit of engagement.
Nothing crazy, but not zero either. Which is still progress.
It is, but it's slow progress. And that's what most people don't like.
Because it's not exciting. It's just consistent effort.
Exactly, so did it make money? Not immediately.
That's the honest answer. But I'm guessing there's more to it.
Yes, it showed potential. Something that could grow with time.
So AI didn't give results directly, but it created an opportunity.
Exactly, and that's the difference. Opportunity still needs effort.
And patience. Which nobody talks about.
So the takeaway is simple. AI is a tool, not a shortcut.
And definitely not a guarantee. You still have to think.
You still have to build and keep improving.
So what's next? Where do we go from here?
Now we focus on scaling, making this repeatable.
Turning it into a system. That's where things get interesting.
Exactly. That's what we explore next. Real consistency and growth.
So if you followed till here, you're already ahead of most people.
And if this helped you think differently, like, share, and subscribe.
We'll see you in the next episode.